Number system. Introduction to large numbers. Objectives. Usage of numbers. Place value chart up to 7-digit numbers. Usage of numbers. Introduction. India has 29 states, 35 popular cities, 2,36,004 villages. The population of Hyderabad city is 68,09,970. The population of Mumbai city is 1,24,78,447. The population of India is nearly 126 crore. We use large numbers to count the population in banking system, in business production of things, annual profit, to measure the distance. Let's learn about large numbers and number system. Already, we know how to read a 5-digit number. For example, 5, 4, 3, 2, 6. How can we read this number? Let us see the place value chart. There are 5 places. Those are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. From right to left side, every place is increased by 10 times. From left to right side, every place is decreased by 10 times. Now, we will place the digits of the given number in the place value chart according to their place values. 6 is in ones place. 2 is in tens place. 3 is in hundreds place. 4 is in thousands place. 5 is in 10,000s place. This number is read as 54,326. We can read any number easily by using place value chart. What is the greatest 5-digit number? 99,999. If we add 1 to the greatest 5-digit number, then we will get a smallest 6-digit number, that is 1 lakh. Now we will get a new place value column in the place value chart. It is called as lakhs place. We can write the greatest 6-digit number, 9,99,999. If we add 1 to this number, then we will get a smallest 7-digit number called 10 lakhs. Again, we got a new place value column in the place value chart. Let us summarize what we learned in this lesson.